Samunana nginibingelele nginamkelele channel Masweti Mina Production. Uma ngabe yaqala ukufika ngicela ukuthi kwenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe mawuqeda ubole video ushaye like bese uya comment kulolu daba. Namhlanje ngenza kwethu le video ezoyibona njengamanje ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke sinesikhathi esingaphezulu kuka 2 weeks yenziwa umsakazini woKhozi FM kodwa bengikade ke ngilokhu ngilingeka ukuthi ke nginivezele yona. Sengize ngathatha isinqumo ke sokuthi anginibonise ngempela. Ngizocela ke ukuthi ke ubukele part mangabe kusuqedile ke kuzobe sekuba khona ku part 2. Engicabanga ukuthi ke lapho khona uzobe usuthola khona ke uvutho ndaba lwangempela lwale ndaba kodwa nje ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele bese ke uyithokozela.
Uyabona ke ilento ukuthi uma wathola inkonzo ayijoyina ngoba khona uanti olama ubaba obegula ngaleso sikhathi ubephethwe HIV. And then kwafika labafundisi from Africa abathi bayakwazi bona ukulapha HIV balapha zonke izifo thizeni. So uma ke yena ke wa joina lebandla ngoba lo mfundisi thizeni uthe uyakwazi ukulapha ingculaza. Hayi me join inkonzo uma obviously ingane nathi ulapha uma eyakhona nathi siyakhona. Hayi uma join inkonzo si join inkonzo then kube right kube normal church but in a overnight service ya Friday Saturday kune prayer Sunday inkonzo
likuphi lesonto
inkonzo belisegoli lisegoli and then inkonzo mayenza kanjalo umfundisi besangikhetheke mina phakathi kwabonke abantu athi kuma wami phela the way they design le inkonzo ukuthi when you are close to a man of God is status.
Yes.
Like you are very close to uNkulunkulu qobo lwakhe. Ngoba phela isho they already groom us ukuthi uzucabanga ukuthi hayi umfundisi uyiprophet and it means ukuthi uyezwa. Uzwa nemicabango yakho uma ucabanga ungekho phambi kwakhe. So ufuna ugade nje lento oyicabangayo whatever urepent the same time.
Yebo.
So umfundisi wangikhomba wathi sihle sibisi wena you are born of the world but you are not of the world. So ngifuna uzohlala emission house. Sicabanga ngasuka ekhaya ngayohlaliswa emission house.
Uneminyaka emingaki la?
Bengifunda umatric I just ngiya ku matric at that time. So ngihlala emission house, ngahlala emission house for some time. Emission house mawufika nakhona icriteria ukuthi uhlale emission house. Number 1 you must undergo HIV test. Wonke umuntu.
Okay, umuntu.
So ngaleso sikhathi sazi ukuthi thina hayibo sitestelwa because umfundisi ayithi bathi ulapha ingculaza. If una ingculaza ayizokulapha umfundisi.
Yebo.
Kanti no, masoyibheka manje umfundisi ubesefa ukuthi ubani angalala naye, ubani angeke amthinte. Because laba abaclean abangena ngculaza yibo laba beyadlala nabo. Wena mugula nje amfethu ufile imovite, ufile umthandazo, ufile ukufasta. You understand?
Wait, so ufast ukuthi uthandazo lokho ukuthandaza njalo.
Kuphela ingculaza iphume phela emzimbeni, ufile imovite, ufile ukufasta, ufile yonke lento yakho, you understand? Then from there umfundisi kaqaleke lento yakhe ukuthi guys usikhathi ngihlala emission house mangiye university eVits ngihamba ngifaka indwa ngamalaphu phela umfundisi udabuka eZambia.
Oh yeah.
So usilethela amalaphu ababiza Chitenge. So bakuthiwa sifaka amabhlukwe so ufaka ilaphu moya esikoleni awucabanga mfethu.
University.
University awucabanga mfethu ngibuhle kangaka Nkosi yami Nkosi uJesu ngifaka ilaphu university ngoba phela ngisho bathi ufune umzimba wethu singawubonisi.
Yes.
Uye university but mangifika university hayi fine ufunda ubuye then it started lapho umfundisi sekasibonisa ama video walo prophet wathi TB Joshua. Asitshela ukuthi hayibo TB Joshua is spiritual father yakhe.
Yeah.
Spiritual father, what does it mean? Hayibo spiritual it means ukuthi le anointing anayo yena umfundisi waseZambia uyithole kuTB Joshua. And uTB Joshua is spiritual father. So anisho nathi ke manje mabasibonisa ama video kaTB Joshua abantu balapheka, people are walking, people now uyalangazelela ukuthi Nkosi yami one day is one day. Hayi ngiqede ke varsity kube into yokuthiwa hayibo kuyahanjwa phela kune trip. Kuyiwe Nigeria shobona spiritual father.
Awunamanga ithini injabulo lapho?
Hayibo wema buka. At that time magiwa ku trip excitement beyigcwele ngaphansi kuwe phela nakhona futhi for you to go to the trip bayan assess ukuthi who's going who's not. So ningafika ni 100 bese bathatha of 100 kambe 30 kuphela.
Okay makhethwa kanjani makhetholani futhi laba?
Ayingaleso sikhathi sazi phela thina ukuthi khethwa kanjani. So afike at that time uMam Sandra ubesebenzela TB Joshua naye God rest his soul usekhothamile. Basebenze bas interviewe hayibo night trip se Nigeria. Sambe se Nigeria ngithatha leave ke mina emsebenzini.
Uzuleminyaka emingaki lapho?
I think at that time I was 21.
Okay.
Thatha leave emsebenzini I think 2021, somewhere there, 2021. Thathe leave because I just started ukusebenza. Thathe leave and ethi Nigeria uhlala 7 days angithi 7 days.
Yeah.
So thathe leave emsebenzini, hayi bo sihamba Nigeria. At that time ngiyakhumbula bengidriver iFiat Palio. Ngisanda ukuyithengela imoto yami Fiat Palio. So nginishiye nobaba wami, ngithi ngicela ayigade, bengine flat, ngihlala Auckland Park. Yabona nje kube into ukuthi hayi ngiyahamba ngiyabuya.
Yeah.
Awu angibuzanga elangeni. Mangifika Nigeria kanti dala kuplaniwe ngami incwadi ngami sivaliwe pheto kitungu ukuthi usihle sibisi ngeke abuye.
Ngoba yini ngoba yini?
Hayibo
usezohlala lana aseva uNkulunkulu lana aseva abantu basesontweni kwenzakalana.
Anisho phela mase sifika lapha mawufika ulangazela ukubona uTB Joshua. So for ngamabomu 7 days bazogcina lapha. So every day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday nibukeliswa ama video niyagrumwa. And then niyatshela ukuthi must be an attitude of prayer for those 5 days. Because phela umfundisi make kubona kufanele athole upure. Yabona and your thoughts at that time kufanele zibe pure so that maya ku prayer line umfundisi angageji ngawe yabona azokhona ukuthandazela.
Yeah.
Hi, but at that time mina ke ngabona ingane yakhe namanye ama disciples like maningi amantombazane hlala phaya kubizwa ama disciples. Like amantombazane from all over the world.
Wait, so nihlala kuphe hotela umuzi omkhulu.
Ngaleso sikhathi angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. But then hayibo Saturday night ke thiwa praise the Lord. Sicela ukuthi impahla nizozigcoka Sunday ngesonto ku prayer line. Nigqoke namhlanje ngoba funeke senza i-pre-interview before umfundisi ezokukhulekela. So at mayidlala ku TV kubonakala ngathi it's one day. You understand? Yes. So if ngizogqoka lengubo emnyama Sunday ku prayer line, Saturday night bazongicela ukuthi ngigcoke yona vele. Bayenza i-pre-interview so that Sunday mase babonisa ama video all over the world bayilinka as if bang interview on one day. Hayi nathi sivumeka hayi. Ngcoke ke mina ngiyakhumbula bengifaka irogo futhi iBob tube yami eblack phezulu namaflower enzansi but bengifake nesholi yakhona ngibophile phela. Pre-interview Sunday ifike. Aw Sunday hayi kumnandi phela Sunday kumnandi enkonzweni. To a prayer line. Mina mangena Nigeria my main issue was bengine problem yendlebe.
Okay.
I had an ear operation but I was hearing yami beyinzima kancane yabona. So ngimila lapha ne placard. Ne? Placard ibhale ear operation and then bona basifakele zabo izinto ke. Hayi angazi ngathi babhala ngathi night husband angazi bakubhala into eziningi lapha yaphi because yes alisho bazokutshela ukuthi they have to add those things so that umfundisi elakhi iphepha lima checked even more. So ngeke babhala into eyodwa kuphela. So uzobhala night husband babhala spirit of angazi babhala into eziningi.
Shuthi nje kahle kahle bawuyinto nje yomhlaba
mamela ngaso sikhathi uma wami ujabula uyafa usegoli ngoba phela nisho the fact ukuthi umaka sihle umntana wakhe usihle uye Nigeria hayibo that is status quo on its own anisho phela status quo hayibo prayer line happens yaqala ukumbona ke lo baba lo obviously sesigrumiwe uyamsaba uyamhlonipha you reverence him mefika ku prayer line andlula kuthinte awu ngaphapha mina ngaphapha ngathi kuphuma itop iBob tube yami bisiyehlile kancane ngaphapha manje sengitshela ukuthi did you hear congratulations hayibo congratulations kuzakaleni like I didn't know what happened hayibo when you are staying uyasala you are staying
kwenzeke lento emva ukuthinta nje wasuvele wafana
ku prayer line in front of everybody like ngavele ukaba ushaya blackout bese uyavuka bese kube emnyama nje ushaya blackout bese uyavuka like kodwa mawuvuka abantu bakushaya izandla ukuthi hayibo when you are the chosen one you're God's chosen one you will be the first black South African ezohlala esontweni. Ngaleso sikhathi ama emotions awucabanga kahle and at that time you're thinking ukuthi hayi perfect great shot shuthi nje vele khawufile imurena ngiseduza noJesu phela manje hayi manje ke kube yisho ukuthi manje uma vele hayi ujabulile she's happy bamtshelile goal u right ubaba ngizomtshela kanjani Nkosi yami we hayi kuthiwe no baba wakho uzofonelwa bamfonela ubaba kuthiwa hayibo ingane yakhe ayisabuyi iyahlala la eNigeria she's chosen hayibo hayi ngempela ke ubaba wami umbona ukuthi asangana le akayizwa nje kahle athi hayibo ngeke yami ingane ngifuna ukuza nje lapho eNigeria i-team engize nayo bahamba bangishiya kanjalo
bahamba bonke
bonke ngasala mina Ne, it's only later I discovered ukuthi it was all planned. Vele bese dali ithombe zami zathunyelwe Nigeria bese bokuplan nje ukuthi lo uyasala. Later sengiphakathi deep lapho so deep phakathi ngakhona, and remember we basically ukuthi we can't speak about certain things. Right. So mangifika the first night I'm thinking okay, kuyohlalwa phi? Hayibo.
Yeah, ngifuna ukuza lapho sichazele.
Buka ke mongene ekonzweni kune passage elide ama visitors ahlala lapho. Nyuka itebhisi i-first floor inkonzo main church. Then the next level ama office, the next level ikamera lethu thina amantombazane ama disciples. Maybe it's 2,000 just women from anything, as long as you are a woman, you are in the same dormitory. So kunama double bunker lapho sonke share toilet, share shower. The next floor yonke floor eka nkosikazi ka TB Joshua uhlala yedwa nezingane zakhe kuleyo floor. The next floor abafana bodwa. And then from there amanye office bese legcine the last floor uTB Joshua lapha yedwa. You understand? Ulala yedwa lapho uhlala ehamba nabafana bakhe la abamgadile. So mawufika the first 2 weeks I was treated very nice. First 2 weeks yabona I'm from South Africa, the first black South African. Bang introduce her to the first white South Africans. One wabo bekakhona ku BBC documentary namu Angela. Angela nayo she was there. So now she was the first white South African. So now she knew how to entice me ukuthi ngihlale la uyabona. Hayi, you know, you are close to God. What are you? Oh, yeah, barely 2 weeks angibuzanga elangeni. Shin. Tiwa, nobody sleeps if daddy is not sleeping.
Unamanga, so ngivumelekile ukulala noma inini.
Hayibo ngeke uvela uthi, ngikhathele ngifuna ukuyolala. No ways. You will be in trouble.
Udaddy akakalali.
Udaddy makuthiwa udaddy akalali, awulali nje. You have to be funeka ubonakala ubhizi wenza something. So mina automatically because ngiyacula vela I was put in the praise team by busy choristers.
Yes.
Bengu choristers, and then from the choristers bangisebenzisa ku admin department yabo. So during the day mangekho ku admin ngiku rehearse ama cell phone maningi lapha yana abantu babafona, you are picking up the call. Yabona nje kubhizi kunebhizi nje lapha yana.
Okay.
Awuna cell phone, passport ithathiwe, passport, cell phones gcinwe esontweni. So basically you can't have communication nabantu. Nothing. Nothing. So umuntu befuna ukukhuluma nawe, they have to go through the process of writing an email to daddy ukuthi sicela ukukhuluma noSihle. Mawufona uzofona ibanje omunye usho ukuthi nakhona futhi basikhuluma lapha, by that time you speak pidgin English. So when you have phone lapha, hello, can I speak to Sihle? Hello ma, how are you? Sesikhulumile.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, mina ngizophendula. Yes ma, how can I help you? I want to speak to my daughter. Sorry ma, I can't hear you. Sorry ma.
Why?
Funa ngikirritate for you to drop the phone.
Go back.
Because at that point you can't easily get hold of me. Do you understand? Sometimes the phone ngikuzwa uthi I want to speak to Sihle. Hey mommy, sorry. You can't speak to Sister Sihle right now. Sister Sihle is in prayer. Please phone later. Thank you through.
Wait,
phone. Because there's protocol, everything must be done through TB Joshua. Awukwazi mawufuna ukuyolala noma ungagula noma ungathini ufuna ukuqeda permission uTB Joshua bekana ama slips amancane yabona ama papers amancane makuthiwa ngifuna ukuyolala funeke I must find a chance lapho ngizomthola khona mangimbona nje ngisho ukuthi daddy I'm very tired, can I go sleep? Kuba uyena ozothi yes or no. Makathe yes uzothatha iphepha elincane elibhala lisign, then mina funeke ngilithathe ngiyolibonisa lo phethe I home room ukuthi nayi mina ngine pass yokuyolala. Mawufuni imali funa ukuthola ipass, everything must be signed for ipass. Without that pass nothing happens. So obviously by then you are there 1 month, but then now mina because I'm very curious ilento ukuthi hayibo masihlele egumbini sometimes ngoba phela ndalo delingana langa une phone egumbini, sometimes the phone mayikhala iyabanjwa kodwa umuntu mekhuluma umuze khuluma uza nje drop your phone bese kuthiwa sister so and so oya daddy is calling you, but angeke bakutshela ukuthi ukubizela kuphi. So ubona umuntu babathi someone daddy is calling you uphumelela ngaphandle nawe. So now I'm thinking why abantu babizwa mina ngingabizwa Nkosi yami kanti mina ngiyobizwa nini? Anisho phela anisho ilento manje competition.
Yes.
And to show you ukuthi he wanted to divide and rule us and make sure ukuthi asithembane. Every night lapha yabo kune meeting, every single night.
Okay, eyani?
I meeting yokuthi sizopayisana phela. Daddy ukupayisa sizocebana phela. So ngizothi daddy ngiphamise isandla nithi daddy South Beyonce today came to me and told me that yesterday you gave her an apple.
Oh.
How can you do that, South Beyonce? Yeah? Do you not have respect for what daddy does with you? Why don't you tell everybody? So, for the first time you are exposed to seeing abantu beqenywa because there are certain things that you can't share with certain people. So when you are exposing certain things, so that is why even if you know ubaba udaddy did something to you uzosithulela uvala umlomo uthi twi because awufuna ukushaywa phela nawe ngoba phela mawupayisa uzoshaywa. Then the fateful night happened where one day kwathiwa Sister Secret daddy is calling you. Ngiphume ngithi mina so bakhona usisi okubizwa uBhisola ukhona ku documentary naye. uBhisola shows the pimp. Uyena ke ube laphayani uyena bekhetha ukuthi namhlanje kuyabani akuyibani or whatever uye besebenzisana no TB Joshua documentary. And I think we've come a long way no Bisola because we had to sit down and actually make peace. She had to apologize to all of us because Masenzi reunion we all found out how can talk as a day so Bisola, but she was benefiting at the end of the day.
So cousin manga understand the guy. So uBhisola kahle wawuyena kokuthunywa yena edayisa
yebo
ewadayisela yena uTB Joshua
yebo uBhisola enakayiphiki
yebo usebenzani uTB Joshua esebadayiseli
buka. So uBhisola uzozathi Sister Secret daddy is calling you, so uye kuye athi oya anisho manje like ikamera lephezulu but it's got different entrances and exits. So hayibo uzothi kuwe oya Sister Secret use the west wing. So when why look gibela west wing khona uyehlayo uyehla ku north wing asazi asibonani phela nisho phela because there are different entrances. So mawunyuka for the first time jabulile nisho phela mawunyuka uphatha iBhayibheli lakho nepen because you must always have a pen and a Bible in hand to show ukuthi you are spiritual uyafunda man ngoNkulunkulu. Ngigijima ngifike phezulu mangifika phezulu umnyango omncane uvuleka umnyango mengena ayibo ngiyaqala ungena kule ndawo lena akusi office lakhe engilijwayele go upstairs ikamera lakhe mengifika.
All right Matas awuthi sibambe lapho kwamanje ngane kwethu sicela kuyimamba nje ufika lapha yaphezulu ke